In today's video, you will see 10 benefits of chard to your body. Green salad should be in everybody's meals since the leaves, besides having vitamins, minerals, and other bioactive compounds that bring benefits to our body, are also high in water and fiber. Did you know that? Today, we will learn more about chard. Chard is rich in insoluble fiber that helps regulate the intestinal function and keeps the digestive system healthy, preventing constipation and other issues. The leaf can be eaten raw or cooked and can be added to many dishes. See the benefits that chard offers to your health. Helps with blood circulation. Chard is a good ally of premature babies thanks to its vitamin K, which contributes to blood circulation and prevents hemorrhages in little kids, like intestinal bleeding. Helps with weight loss. Since it is low in calories and rich in fiber, chard increases the sensation of satiety. Good for the heart and mental health. Because of its properties that reduce cholesterol and nutrients that improve blood circulation, chard is a heart-friendly food that prevents cardiovascular diseases. Its antioxidant agents also benefit mental health, as they protect the brain from neurodegenerative diseases and prevent disorders like anxiety. Strengthens the immune system. Eating chard creates a defense barrier against infections and diseases. Since it contains vitamins A, C, and K, calcium, iron, and proteins, chard plays an important role in strengthening the immune system by increasing the production of antibodies and white blood cells. Helps regulate blood sugar levels. The insoluble fiber allows a slower absorption of sugar by the intestines. Chard is rich in antioxidants and other compounds that help reduce blood sugar levels, being an interesting option for diabetic patients and people with insulin resistance. Enjoying the video? Then give it a like and share it with your friends to help the channel. Helps with bone density. Eating chard stimulates a better fixation of calcium in teeth and bones. This is essential to the formation of collagen fibers in our body, thanks to the vitamin C and K and proteins found in the leaf. Calcium is essential during pregnancy, lactation, and childhood. Protects eye health. Chard has 2 antioxidants, zeaxanthin and lutein, which are good for eye health. They protect the retina and absorb the light that causes serious damages to the eye, like cataracts. Prevents anemia. The vitamin C found in chard potentializes the absorption of iron. This mineral prevents anemia, improves logical thinking, and fights discouragement. It also reduces stress by acting on the production of cortisol, histamine, and norepinephrine. It improves the mood and prevents depressive episodes. Avoids premature aging and makes the hair healthier. Since one of the main functions of antioxidants is to avoid the premature aging of cells, the skin is benefited when we eat chard. The compounds of this green leaf help avoid wrinkles and fine lines. The hair is benefited by the presence of vitamin B7, also known as biotin. This substance gives shine to the hair and also favors hair growth by stimulating hair follicles. Prevents some types of cancer. Chard is rich in antioxidants that prevent the damages caused by free radicals in the cells. Chard can be eaten raw in salads, cooked, stir-fried, or even as a juice or smoothie, combined with fruits and raw vegetables. This dark green leaf can also be used as a homemade medicine to treat many health issues. People with kidney stones and those prone to have them should avoid chard. This is because of the oxalic acid, a compound that increases the formation of stones in the kidneys. Also, the high levels of oxalic acid may lower the absorption of calcium. People who suffer from hypocalcemia must cook the chard before eating it to reduce oxalic acid. This vegetable is rich in vitamin K and must be avoided by people who take anticoagulants. If you like to eat chard or have used it in natural medicines before, share with us. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.